I remember those days where I could just take a little purse and walk out of the house. Those days are long gone. Now it's like diaper bag, check. Carry on, check. Blanket, check. Wait, baby. Oh wait, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Hi, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, which most likely you are since this is my, well, let's just say I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. Life kind of got in the way. My name is Rachel, and I thought a good way to kind of kick things off is to do a what's in my diaper bag video. I am a mother of two. I have a 2.5-year-old toddler girl and a 3-month-old baby boy. With time, I kind of noticed that actually 90% of the things that I take are not even used, so I am trying to kind of downsize because I tend to be a Mary Poppins kind of girl. I like to take everything with me just in case I need it. But as far as diaper bags go, I really do not like those big, bulky, in-your-face, I'm a diaper bag kind of diaper bags. So I was trying to opt for something more stylish and minimal, like a more natural, earthy kind of tone look. I didn't really find exactly what I was looking for, but I did end up finding, well, here it comes, this diaper bag, which is by Skip Hop. It's pretty cute. It is made of vegan leather, which I love because, yes, we are vegan. It's a really light, kind of natural tone, tan, kind of brownish, I guess. Very sleek lines, very minimal. Actually, it's not a very big diaper bag, but you know what? It's what I got and it's what I'm gonna work with. Let's get started. Let me show you what I do carry around. We actually just came back, so everything is still pretty much in there. We'll start with this pocket. So I guess this pocket is actually intended for bottles, but we are breastfeeding, so I am breastfeeding. So I don't have a bottle to carry around. I do have, though, my toddler's little carry pouch thing that she likes to keep her snacks inside. And in here we do have, oh yeah, candy. This is just some like dates rolled up with coconut on it. Pretty yummy, very sweet. So yeah, I guess it's candy, right? Very healthy snack. But she loves carrying this around, and you know, sometimes fruits or veggies or different kind of like puffs or snacks, whatever she wants. And in this pouch, we have her bottle, sippy cup. I love it. It really never spills, and she drinks so much water out of this. So it's a great cup. Hi, I was just talking about you.
Baby alone is crying.
Baby alone is crying? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, baby alone is crying. This is real stuff, you guys. What can I do? He's gotta eat. So yeah, I also have this sanitizer by Dr. Bronner's. I'm saying it right, Dr. Bronner's. It is a lavender scent, and it's just a hand sanitizer, which I love. It's natural, obviously, so it doesn't have like any chemicals in it. It's organic, and it smells of lavender. Really good to clean your hands if you're on the go, or just to spray it around if you need to sanitize like carts or anything at all. This will do it. Perfect. Really nice. And I have a $10 bill. I do carry my personal items in my purse. I don't like to mix them up too much, but I always have a little bit of cash in here just in case I don't forget my purse or something. So I just have some cash. And I guess that's what I have in that pocket. In this pocket right over here, I like to keep some snacks. Little clementine, which we did not eat, and usually Yuli loves these clementines this time of year. A banana, fuel. So banana's really good to have. And I have this Mugo dark chocolate protein bar, vegan, of course. And I am in love with this, you guys. I don't know if it's the healthiest option out there, but it does have a nice amount of 12 grams of protein, and it is delicious. It's like a kind of crispy and it's all covered in dark chocolate. Oh my God, it's heaven. And she loves this too. So when I give, you know, she's hungry, I give her this, satisfies, takes her a while to finish it up. I have some quiet time, so I love it. You guys have to try it. And I also have a Cliff Bar, which is a chocolate brownie. Again, not the healthiest option, but hey, it works. I like to always keep two because usually I eat one and she eats one. Gotta think of yourself too, mamas. Yes. So got one of each over here. And as I told you, we just got back, so we didn't really touch any of this stuff. That's why it was a good time to do this video. And this over here, well, here's a little chew toy thingy that I mentioned earlier. I don't really use it, but I do like that it's an accessory that stands outside. In this pocket over here, I assume it's supposed to be for wipes. I do keep my wipes here for now. Not the most convenient as to my wipes. I don't know, they just don't work really well over there, but this is the wipes that I use. The only wipes that I use, it is by Water Wipes. It's just pure water with a little bit of fruit extract to keep it, I guess, fresh. But they're really, really good. My kids have not had any diaper rash, and this is the only one that I use, so really, really recommend this one. And going into the other side, I have here a changing pad, which this does come with it. It's pretty simple, but I love the fact that I don't have to keep my pad inside my bag. I like to keep it separate. You know, I feel kind of weird changing my baby's diaper outside somewhere and just putting all those germs back into my bag with all this clean stuff. I don't know, it doesn't work for me. So keeping it in a separate pocket is really, really useful for me. Okay, and then going inside my bag, as you can see, it's pretty packed. I do have the things that I use most of the time out on the top, and then the ones that I need less on the bottom. I just have some burp cloths. My son is a spitter. Oh my gosh, we go through them so much. So I do keep a few of them handy, just some simple birth cloths. I have here also his bib. I love bibs. I love bibs. Again, he gets them wet so fast, so I just keep always one extra with me. And I do have here a little beanie hat. I keep inside also swaddle blanket. This one is by Aiden and Anaya, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Just a cute, simple, always good to have, always handy having swaddle blankets around. And then moving on, I have here my nursing cover. This is a must-have. It goes with me everywhere. Since I am a nursing mother, I don't use bottles, so I do like to cover up when my baby feeds. Not because I think that nursing in public is something you need to cover up for, but because I just like to be, you know, in our own little space when we nurse. It keeps them calm. So I just put it on, and you know, you can see your baby. Really soft. And this is by Raw Generation, so I will link it down below as well. I also carry in here, in these pockets over here on the side, I carry some diapers for my daughter. She never knows which one she wants, so yeah, she was still working on potty training, so I still have her diapers over here. For her, I keep about 2 or 3 is good for her, and for my son, I keep a few more just for him. There's about 3 right now. I had 2 more with me. I usually like to have 5 when I go out with him because, you know, he's still a baby, so sometimes you just need to have a lot of diapers when you have a baby. So 5 is a good amount to go around with, just to be on the safe side. True story, when I had my daughter, I went to, I think, a hospital checkup, and I did not have any diapers with me. Like, I packed the whole world, and I forgot to bring diapers, and I'm like, oh my God, what do I do? She had like this huge blowout, and I was so happy that I was in a hospital, but then they had no diapers for her size, so I ended up taking like this huge, big people diaper on this little tiny person. That's what I had to do. You just have to work with it and be creative. Otherwise, she would have no diaper on, but it worked until we got home. I also keep this pouch. I just like to be more organized. Here, I just have some spare clothes for my son. My daughter, she's big. She doesn't really need any spare clothes. I haven't had any issues with her lately, but my son, I always keep some spare clothes. I have here a onesie. I think it's the most convenient to just have an extra onesie when you need to go and change. Like another outfit and another outfit. Okay, see, this is now overpacking. You really do not need so many outfits. I think 2 is enough. 2 outfits is probably enough to take with you. And I do have also another onesie to go underneath. This is another burp cloth that I have. See, and I told you I don't carry a lot of things, whatever. I always take a spare nursing pads, you know, for leakage. I think it's something that's very important. I do use the reusable ones. I had the disposable ones, but I'm just trying to be more cautious with the world, so I use these reusable ones, and they're pretty nice. I did get them off Amazon, and I will link it down below if you guys are interested. This is a pair of socks that I take with me for him. Cute little pair of socks. And some mittens that he's overgrown right now, but I have them in here, so I'm going to take them out because we don't need them. That's that. And I also have in here my pug bag. I do have a little pug. I'm in love with pugs, but this is just a really cute one. I think my husband got it for me from Nordstrom. This is just a few of my personal things. I do keep a purse for myself. I like my things separate from the kids, so, you know, wallet, all of that I have on my own. But this is just like a few little essentials. So let's see. I have here some gum by Purr. I have here some, just like these Castile soap wipes, which are super, super handy. Especially when you're, I don't know, when I need to clean some kind of surface real quick before my kids touch. I have a few Band-Aids, just in case. I love the just in case. I have here a lip gloss by Mineral Fusion, just to have on hand. I have here another Shea Butter chapstick. This one is by Shea Moisture. And of course, I will never leave the house without my essential oils. So you guys, this is my medicine cabinet. I am an essential oil freak. This is Velour. It's just a really nice scent, very good around children, very calming. I actually had this when I gave birth to my son, and after, just really nice oil, essential oil, so it's always with me. And this is my no fever recipe that I make, but it's good for anything. So for any boo-boo or anytime they don't feel well, nauseous, anything, actually anything at all, I use this home recipe that I put on them when we're out. So this always comes with me in the bag. And I have a little tie for, a bow tie for my, a hair tie for my daughter. My daughter also, she is such a girly girl. She likes to carry her own purse with all her little toys when we go out. So that's good for me because less that I have to carry in here. And then, yeah, that's about it, I guess. Let me see if there's anything else in here that's hiding. Oh yeah, my son, he's growing teeth now, so this is a little banana toy. It's like made from silicone, and it's a toothbrush. And he hasn't really started chewing on it yet, but I do take it with me because I offer it to him all the time because I see that he's just starting to like really swell up and bite on his hands. Poor little thing. So this is really, I had this with my daughter when she was a baby, so hopefully he likes it as well. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so let me show you what this bag looks like inside empty in case you are interested in getting one of those. You have a pocket over here with a zipper, and over here, let me get it a little close up. So you have, you know, here, that's where I usually keep my, stay down. These 2 pockets is usually where I keep my, my diapers. And overall, you know, it's okay. It's decent, I guess. I do love the fact that it has these 2 hooks that you can put on your cart. And honestly, that's what I use this most for. I don't love carrying this bag on me, even though it seems like super cute to walk with it, but you know, it kind of gets heavy, especially when you have another baby that you have to hold. So I love putting it on my stroller. Otherwise, I would probably recommend taking a backpack as your diaper bag. So this is what I have right now in my bag. This is pretty much what I do carry around on a normal basis. But you know, if I do know that I'm going out for a very long period of time or overnight somewhere, obviously I'm going to pack some more things, some different things that I would need for that matter. But yeah, that's what I carry. I will link everything down below for you guys, whatever I can. So hopefully you guys can check it out for yourself. And I would love to hear from you also if you have any tips on what you guys carry, if you think I missed anything that might be important and give me an idea. If you did get to this point of the video, I would really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. So thanks again for watching. Till next time.